Now I will discuss the patient case scenario. The patient's respiratory rate is 30 breaths per minute, which indicates hyperventilation. And his white blood count was 14,000, so that indicates leukocytosis. His RBC, platelets, and glucose were all normal levels. And his TSH was hypothyroidism indication, so it was just very high, is what I'm showing. As when I looked in the textbook, it showed that it could be potential hypothyroidism. So he had a high BP, which also showed hypertension, as well as he was febrile. He had dyspnea and tachypnea with labored efforts, and his leukocytosis and high TSH levels, it showed a suspected bacterial infection, so that's what we're pretty much looking at. And basically that concludes that we do not need the sputum cytology, since that's more of a cancer or tumor related type test, and the lung BQ scan is more for pulmonary embolism, so that's not a suspected issue here, so we wouldn't run that test. The only test I decided to run would be the chest x-ray, because it just is like a general evaluation of the pulmonary and vascular peripheral system. So I think that that would be the best option for now, and I think once we would get that, we could further evaluate what other kinds of tests we would need, but it's a suspected bacterial type infection.